got a couple guys bringing, got Chris in the Mustang, and then another Chris and Camaro. So we're gonna go meet them quick and get on the road. I'm afraid to shut this off because I feel like it won't start again. We were at Rudders, another Rudders down by us, and this shit just like, sometimes when it gets really hot, it like doesn't fucking turn back on after like running it. So I'm just gonna let it run and cool off, I guess. Showed up here with all the boys at the junk food meet in Harrisburg, City Island. Up pretty sweet. Lost the Mustang and the Camaro. We're gonna meet back up with them, but yeah, we out here. Yo, hey. You know I'm a Honda guy. Very clean Civic. Oh, careful out there. I don't know if it's boosted or not, but very clean.
The view, so good. We've arrived at the junk food meet. We got the top of the parking lot parked. We're gonna get down in the show soon by our friend Dave.
Yeah, it's just linked to the ignition.
Got free. The drive over here was so stupid, dude. That was sick.
Yeah,
oh my god. We didn't get too much footage on the way over here, but lots of pictures are fire. We got clown juice. Pop some cheeks in that one.
Yeah, no.
This is sick.
So hands down, my favorite is that wide body, the RC back bunny.
This is Dave. Lightner, he drives the Purple S14. These guys were my buddies that were at that pop-up. Okay, cool, yeah. We all cruised down together. That was fun.
Yeah.
You know, this has been a SEMA car for a long time when it's got 05 fucking
Yeah.
stickers on it.
It's pretty clean. I feel like people with Subarus don't know what to do with colors. That's a STI. Oh, these carbon overlays.
Yeah.
I like those.
Yeah, that's nice.
They make a whole one of them for my car, like all around. I need to get them. Look at that. What the hell is going on up there? That's blow-off valve? It's a
Yes.
that thing?
Yeah, I guess it recirculates into the intake, maybe.
That is weird as hell.
Yeah.
Food truck, baby. Trying out the Lucky Penny Burger.
Yeah, big burgers.
I'm getting the burger.
Did you just say you're getting a burger?
Yeah.
That's the only thing here is a burger. God.
You got French fries.
I got the loaded fries.
I feel like I seen this on 1320 like yesterday. It's about as big as your turbo was.
Huh?
It's about as big as your turbo was. Maybe a little bit bigger. Inlet.
See, like, yeah, I want to make my inlet bigger.
Yeah. Look at that, dude. That is badass. I don't know how much it makes though. It's got a precision probably brake. This thing might make some power too. Dang. Like a sidewinder and manifold.
K-series, man.
A lot of possibilities. Oh, it's right-hand drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a real Teggy. This is sick. Corey's first car, Mk4 Supra. God damn, dude. That's a big one. The whole set.
But do you see what motor swap that is?
RB25, 26. What is that, a Civic?
That's dead.
Yeah, you're doing it. It's got Gannon doors like Corey. Yeah.
Are you going to Evergreen next weekend?
Yeah. Look at his wastegate thing, dude. That's got to be so loud. Oh my god, dude. Dude, Corey.
Yeah.
His eyes, yeah. Dude, really quick though. Look at this wastegate. Look at this wastegate. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a horn.
Dude, that thing's
Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Yeah, that probably rips. Yeah, that definitely eats.
Said it's fully caged, you can't even tell. Like,
Really?
it's so long.
Wow. That's incredible. Dude, this is so
This would be
sick.
something I would want to build.
This is so
just
di-
take some steel and like just weld it all together.
Oh my god, dude. Flaking, that is ridiculous. Holy crap. Oh yeah, I love those seats. I was gonna buy them, like Prismas.
I kind of want those now.
Yeah, dude, they're nice. Dang, right-hand drive. That's badass, dude. Oh yes. Oh, super gang.
Oh, that's his friend's GTR, Corey's GTR. I'm gonna look at him. Oh, look at this.
Oh man, it's been a while since we've seen one of those up close.
Hey, it's mint.
That's why I thought it blew up the diff, because
Dang, that's pretty. Even painted and stuff from the fan felt.
got pulled over. They all drove by nice and slow and made it to the gas station. I got a $78 ticket. It was a win-win situation. Yeah, exactly. The cop was cool.
Dude, look how clean this guy's battery box is. His battery. The battery is so mint.
We were standing over there.
Oh, this is perfect. That was downpipes, like a bigger one. That's nice.
Man, I'm sweating.
Oh shit. Another Supra. Holy shit.
The diesel.
Those just sound like mortars going off.
Like gunshots.
Yeah. A lowered skateboard. Hell yeah. Let's go. It's a good time, baby. God. Holy shit. Dude, that's ridiculous. Oh my God, my ears. Oh my God. Dude.
Oh man. That rolling anti-lag is nuts.
Oh. Holy shit.
Oh,
That was sick. Oh. Oh. Drop a lug if you want more of that, baby. Holy shit. More ear poppers. Ah. Dude, the two-step, the anti-lags on those Supras, dude. Holy shit. It didn't want to do it. Oh god. Dude, literally just blew up his turbo. What's going on? To the park we go. Fuck. The show was good. It's freaking crazy. Orange Ice are going to the sick park next to Corey. If you guys want any more car show footage, make sure to drop in the comments and hit the like button. It lets us know that you want it. Helps our algorithm out. Helps us push other videos out. When you show your love on the videos that you enjoy. Come in, tune in next week for the next upload. Thanks for watching.
Yes, sir. Take it easy, guys.
Yeah.
Hi.